Hey, this is Clint Baker here from Hillbilly Hippie Honeybees. So I just wanted to do a quick review on a product. Not getting paid for this by no means, but I tell you what, whenever you find a product that you really like, I like to give them kudos. So, but it's what I've got on. It's this sting stopper by Fox Hound Bee Supply. I really like it. It is very light. I've worn it now for 4 or 5 times into the bee yard just to give it a good review. And we've had cloudy days. Today it was a nice, beautiful day. We've had days in the 90s, almost close to 100 one day. And it's very nice. It's breathable. Bunches of pockets. I mean pockets upon pockets upon pockets. And that's one thing that he listened to. When we were down at the Bee Expo, he was asking every beekeeper to come through his booth about what they would like to see in a bee coat, how to make them better and improve them, and he listened. I'll leave a link down below for this jacket so that you guys can go and look at them for yourself. But again, I really like it. So kudos, my hat's off to you. But I really like it. And what did I have before? I had a Comfort Pro, I believe it was. And while it breathed, it didn't breathe near like this one. And we've been in a dearth here. We're just going out of a dearth. So I've been in some contrary bees, and guess what? It's held up. I've not had a sting go through it one time. I love the Velcro sleeves. It has a lot stronger thumb holder right there. You can see it sticking out. It's real thick. I love having the pockets on the shoulders so that I can put my pins up here instead of up in here. I've always liked my pins in my shoulders, in my shoulder pockets. It's also got Velcro. Like if you want to put your name on there or put your company name on there or whatever you want to do, you can put Velcro there. There's one here. Both shoulders have Velcro on them. The hat or the veil part, it does open up just like, so that you don't have to take it off to get a drink. You can just open up your veil, zip that up. There's only one thing that I've found wrong about it, and this is probably petty, and it's not anything that you want to change. The zipper works so smooth that whenever you take it off and throw it over backwards, it unzips itself all the way to where it almost wants to fall off. But other than that, oh my gosh, this thing is amazing. It fits great around the waist. It's long in the waist, so like I can pull it down, lower if I need to. My brother, he has a Guardian. Now it's made a lot like the Guardian, but I just really like this. I think it's a great coat. I think all day today, it was warm earlier, and again, I didn't feel like I had much on. So it's really light. But I would recommend these. So just go to Fox Hound Bee Supply. And now I did have to wait a little bit. It was on back order because I guess they're getting really, really popular. But it's worth the wait. It is really worth the wait. So hats off to you. Again, I'm not getting paid for this, but I do like to give kudos and show off a good product, and they've done it upright. So thank you guys for this, and look forward to purchasing a few more for my family. I think my brother's going to get one as well, and I did like that this one come in olive green. That way it stays cleaner looking, right, than the others. But anyway, so if you're looking for a good bee coat, just get online and look at theirs. I think you'll like it a lot. And so I think now I'm just gonna get off here and leave you all alone. But anyway, may God bless each of you. And again, if you like our content, please like and subscribe to our channel. That helps us with the algorithms and all that good stuff. And if there's something you want us to talk about, put it down in the comments below. And so God bless y'all. Thank you.